Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude responds to the same prompt. We will compare their answers based on accuracy, creativity, structure, and prompt understanding to find out which AI performs the best. ChatGPT keeps answer neat and tidy, follows rules and instructions very well, explains step by step, checks whether the answer is correct. Gemini gives very fast answer, finds a lot of information from many places, gives real facts and examples, shows information in a simple website style way, great for learning new topics quickly. Claude thinks carefully before answering. Here it writes in a natural and friendly way, works well in team discussions and ideas and discussions, looks at all sides and gives better ideas. As you can see, the same prompt produced different results because each AI has its own way of understanding, thinking, and presenting information. Hope you would have find this video informative. Thank you.